Why pre-planning your meal is a game changer and how to create a weekly food haul list. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we simplify health and lifestyle one step at a time. Today we are talking about something that can save you time, it can save you money and also reduce your stress levels. Pre-planning your meals and making a weekly food haul list. Stick with me because these hacks will make your life so much easier. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you find this useful. So why is pre-planning your meals so good? So here are three main reasons. It saves you time. You don't have to make those daily trips to the grocery store or the last minute takeout runs. With a plan in place, you know exactly what you will eat every single day. You will make healthier choices. Pre-planning helps you to stick to balanced and nutritious meals rather than opting for unhealthy and fast foods. Third, budget friendly. You'll buy only what you need, reducing the food wastage, and also this will help you save your money. Plus, you'll reduce the stress of figuring out like what's for dinner, what's for lunch at the last moment. Does this not sound amazing? Now let's talk about how to create a weekly food haul list. It's super simple and I'll break it down into three easy steps. You take your kids' help so that they learn something interesting too. Step 1. Plan your meals. So take a notepad or take your mobile and start by planning your meals for the week. I usually choose like 2 to 3 breakfast options. I choose 3 lunch or dinner recipes and 2 to 3 snack ideas. For example, like for breakfast, it could include something savory, always. Nothing sweet, no fruit juices, nothing. It could be millet dosa, it could be your poha with vegetables, it could be a besan chila with sprouts. And lunch could be a big bowl of interesting salad with some homemade dressings. It could be dal palak with millets or a veggie packed salad. So keep your meals balanced with your protein, your carbs, your healthy fats and your fiber in mind. Step 2. Check your pantry and fridge. So before making your list, check what you already have at home. This avoids like overbuying and it also helps use up ingredients that you have already got. Step 3. Make your list by categories. Organize your list into categories like your fruits, your vegetables, your grains, your proteins and snacks. For example, in fruits make a list of bananas, apples, oranges. In vegetables, it could be spinach, tomatoes, carrots, your microgreens. In grains, you could make millet flour, rice, quinoa. In proteins, you could add your eggs, chicken, paneer, your lentils, and in snacks you could add your nuts, seeds, your Greek yogurt. So this makes shopping super quick and very efficient. Here are some bonus tips. Theme your days, for example, do a millet Monday and a soup Tuesday or a stir fry Friday. So this will add variety and it will make planning easier and your kids will love it. Batch cook. Prepare large portions of staples like your rice, your dal or your grilled chicken so it saves on time on busy weekdays. Use reusable containers. Store prepped ingredients in labeled containers to keep your fridge organized. And that's it. Pre-planning your meals and making a weekly food haul list is that simple. Trust me, once you start, you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you're ready to try this, comment below with I'm in or share your own tips. I also help in creating the exact healthy food plan for the entire month for you. Interested? Book a call with me for the reversal of diabetes and fat loss. Link is shared in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss more hacks like this. Share this video with someone you'd love, who'd love these tips too. Until the next time, happy meal planning.